we are going to discuss about the file operations in today's class, right? Before getting into the file operations, we are going to discuss about predefined functions, that is predefined streams. The stream is nothing but collection of or streaming of class functions. Say for example, when we include the preprocessor as a hash include, we are specifying the file hash include stdio.h. That header file consists of predefined function whatever it is needed for the input and output operations. The input-output operations consist of the console, might be printf, scanf, semicolon, comma, etc. etc. Likewise, for functions or for file, we need some predefined stream classes stdin, stdout, and stderror.h. These are all the header files which can capable of supporting the file operation. The stdin helps to input and output the file operations, and stdout helps for the output file operations, and stderr helps in file error operations. What do you mean by file? The file is a collection of rows and columns in the form of tables, which was stored or organized in the manner of easily accessing the data in a core, that is in a data store. ஒரு data storeல ஈஸியா ஒரு டேட்டாவை access பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன methodology யூஸ் பண்றோம்? We are using that as a files. These files consist of rows and column. Row consists of a record and column consists of a field. The field which results with the individual tag, that is only one particular data can be accessed in field. The complete set of data can be accessed in the record, that is row. These rows and columns consist of a table. This table may be easily manageable for storing the data in an organized manner. The file நம்ம ஒரு வீட்ல ஒரு ஆர்கனைஸ்டா ஒரு டேட்டா வைக்கணும், இல்ல ஆர்கனைஸ்டா ஒரு கிளாத் வைக்கணும்னு சொன்னாலே we need some bureau to store it. am I right? அந்த bureau எப்படி ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிப்போம்? ஒரு ஆர்டரா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிப்போம். First whatever we are accessing with a long time, ரொம்ப நாளா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கறதெல்லாம் மேல வச்சிருப்போம், நம்ம யூஸே பண்ணாத கீழ வச்சிருப்போம். am I right? அதே மாதிரி இதுலயும் file can be maintained with frequently accessing data or irrelevant data or whichever it is not used for a long period of time. Likewise, we are going to arrange the data into the file set. The file operation consists of a 4 mode, that is 4 mode of operation. We can able to access the files in this 4 mode: file open, file read, file write, and file append. The open mode is helped to open the already existing file. If the file is already existing, நம்ம எப்படி file new கொடுத்தா புது file open ஆகும், file open கொடுத்தா எது open ஆகும்? Already existing file open ஆகும். The same concept. If we are trying to open the existing file, we have to open the file mode as a file open. If you are going to read, that is you are going to access only the data, அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அது என்னது? File read mode. You are going to read the content whatever it is existing in the already file, whichever it is exists. ஆனா ஓபன் பண்ணாம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? ரீட் பண்ண முடியாது. Unless if the file is not yet opened, you cannot able to read the file. The next one is write. Write file means you are going to write the new content into the file. The file can be opened or closed or not yet created, but you can able to write the file after creating the file. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஒரு ஃபைலை கிரியேட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். Unless if your file is not exist or the file is not yet created, you cannot write this file. If suppose you are trying to open the not existing file, what happens? The error may happen. That error was tackled by the stdin. If you are trying to open the non-existing file, அப்படி ஒரு ஃபைல்லையே உங்க டேட்டாபேஸ்ல இல்ல, உன்னோட ஸ்டோரேஜ் ஸ்பேஸ்ல அப்படி ஒரு ஃபைலே இல்ல, ஆனா if you are trying to open means what happens? The error may occur. That error will be dealt by the processor called stderr. The next one is file append. Append is nothing but we are going to add some of the content to the already existing content or the content as a new in the open file. ஏற்கனவே open பண்ண ஃபைல்ல you can add, that means you can append the data with the existing data, or you can create a new content for the already opened file. These are the 4 mode of file operations exist in C program. C programming எவ்வளவு modes of file operations இருக்கு? 4 modes of file operations are exist. One is file open, read, write, and append. Open mode is for opening a new file. Read mode is for read the already file name, another one is of the mode what you are trying to open it for. If you specify that as an R, the file is ready for the read mode. If it is specified as a W, the file is ready with the write mode. If it is specified with the A, it is for append mode. If you are not having any such file in your program, உன்னோட டிரைவ்லயோ அல்லது உன்னோட ஸ்டோரேஜ்லயோ அப்படி ஒரு ஃபைலே இல்ல அப்படினு சொன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? The error message may occur. The error message may occur. That will be dealt with the STD error. Is it clear? Thank you.